Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and choosing the collection you'll search. This matters because indexing can be zero-based or one-based. Once done, inspect the first 5 entries to understand structure and pick a unique identifier or pattern to match. Make sure to enable read mode and back up any original files before running searches. This prevents accidental writes. Now run a single, targeted query to return one item so you know your environment behaves as expected. You next perform the actual index retrieval by using a direct lookup function or iterating with enumeration to capture positions. If duplicates exist, decide whether you need the first match, the last match, or every index. Once decided, implement the corresponding logic. Make sure to normalize types and trim whitespace so comparisons succeed, and if needed, convert to integers or lowercase strings. After locating indices, store them in a list or variable and log the result for verification. This prevents silent failures. You finish by returning or persisting the index value, S, in the expected format, and then run automated checks for edge cases like not found, empty collections, or out-of-range assumptions. If results look wrong, reproduce the issue with a minimal example and inspect the input types and normalization steps. Once done, add defensive checks that handle missing values gracefully. If errors persist, log the offending input and the matching pattern, and iterate until the routine consistently returns the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.